Today is Monday, April 28th, and today I learned if you are trying to make money online, which is kind of what I'm trying to do. I've been thinking about that a lot lately, but there's a few things I've been learning from that. Two main things. First of all, you have to just start. You have to just start researching, learning, trying. Most importantly, just trying new things and learning a lot and failing a lot, right? I'm trying to basically try to earn money without spending money, like, at all. I'm trying to do as much as I can, zero cost. Like, I just need to try more things. Try more things, fail more, learn more, and succeed more, right? If you want to succeed more, then you need to fail more. That's the first thing. I need to just be more proactive and just try more things, create more things. And then the second thing that I learned is that really, like, if I ever want to sell something, people aren't just going to buy something just to buy it. Like, I have to think about what would I actually spend my money on, right? What would I spend my money on? And it has to be something of extreme value, like something where it's a bang for your buck, right? You want something that is valuable in that way, and you're usually trying to solve a problem, right? Like, if it's a educational course or a lot of products are just solutions to things. One way to go about it is just like, what are the problems that you have in your life, solve them and sell that solution, right? But also, like, another thing I've been learning, things don't have to be expensive. You can sell something for cheap, right? And honestly, like, the cheaper it is, probably the more sales you get, right? I don't know. You just need to think about, like, what is your vision, kind of thing. Like, what would you buy? That's something I've been thinking about a lot, like, recently. Like, with my YouTube, what would I want to watch, right? What videos would I want to watch? With like making money online, what would I buy? With like, a lot of times I feel like, oh, the best version of me would do this, right? Like, what does that look like? If you feel like you're not making progress, if you feel like there's not a big change, like, what does that look like? What would you watch? What would you buy? What would you do? Like, you now, and like the best version of you, right? So those are just a few things that I've been learning recently. Really just start, fail more so that you can succeed more, and think about, what would you buy, right? What problems do you have? What would you watch? Things like that. So, small thing that I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is a video I posted yesterday. You could subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.